Hello everyone, my name is Srinivas. I am from Anantara, the Palm Jumeirah. Today I am going to make a beautiful dish of chaat short rib with apple chives and textures of artichoke and truffles and potato muesli. So let's start with the short rib braining solution. So for that we need some ingredients here. For coriander 8 grams, fennel seeds 8 grams, few bay leaves, and 1-2 sprigs of rosemary, thyme, some peppercorns 5 grams, and 20 grams of salt and 3 cloves of garlic. So let's start with this braining solution. First we add all the ingredients in the water: herbs, peppercorns, garlic, salt. Okay, once we add all the ingredients in the water, and then let it boil, and once it's boiled, let it cool it down, and once it's cool it down, we will add in the short rib. So this braining we will do for almost 6 hours. So once 6 hours finish, we will start to make with the same braining with sous vide. So we will cook with the sous vide for another 12 hours. Okay, so now we will do the sous vide for this short rib along with the same braining solution for 12 hours at 82 degrees centigrade. Okay, welcome back for after 12 hours. So the short rib is done in the same braining solution at 82 degrees for 12 hours. So now we will remove the bone, and then we will press this short rib for another 3 to 4 hours, so to make a nice shape. So once sous vide done 24 hours at 82 degrees, I take it out and I pressed for again 12 hours to bring it up the nice shape with even size, even shape, even length on all sides, and then I will start to cut as a portion size. So now we put our short rib in the chiller for pressing, and at the meanwhile we will do other components, and one of the component is apple and chive puree. So for this we need chives, blanched chives, and a grated gala green apple, and sugar, salt, and butter.
3.
Okay, now we do the apple and chive puree. For that, in a medium heated pan, add butter. Let's melt the butter, and then you add directly the grated apple, and sprinkle the sugar, and let's caramelize.
3.
Okay, now we will blend the puree, apple and chives. Apple, chives, and slightly little salt for seasoning. Okay, once while blending, we add little butter inside to make a more smooth puree. Okay, now we will start another element of artichoke texture is artichoke souffle. For that we need the ingredients: cornstarch, egg white, and artichoke, salt, and for frying oil to fry the artichoke souffles, and we need one kitchen cloth and one brush and one strainer. Okay, now let's start our artichoke souffle. So I take a kitchen cloth, I arrange like a artichoke, and after that I dry it nicely so no moisture on the artichoke. So now we will start to apply the egg white on top layer. So now on the bottom layer I just dust some corn flour. Okay, now once I dust the cornstarch on the bottom layer and egg white applied on the top layer, so this both layers I will attach together. Okay, now I cut the artichokes into 1-inch squares, and then I will fry it. Okay, now you can see the puffing the artichokes like this. Okay, once done, we strain it. Now we will do other element, the sauce. So this is a beef veal jus. So what we need for the beef veal jus is some beef trimmings, celery, carrots, onions, leeks, and some rosemary and thyme, and bay leaf, and some garlic, olive oil, and some vegetable stock. So now we will add all the mirpo and bouquet garnish, and we will roast it nicely in the pan. Let it nicely caramelize. Once nicely roasted, we add the beef trimmings and we roast nicely. So once the beef is caramelized, and then I will add vegetable stock. And then reduce it for until it's 3/4. Okay, now our apple and chai puree is done. So we will do another component is a artichoke, the textures of artichoke. So in that the textures of artichoke, we will do a pickled artichoke. In that pickled artichoke, we need first the pickling liquid for the artichoke. So for that we need coriander seed, fennel, tarragon, and equal quantity of 50 grams of sugar, vinegar, and some seasoning for. Now we will add all in a pot all together. Fennel seeds, tarragon, and salt. Okay, let's start this boiling the pickle liquid. Once it's boiled, leave aside in the room temperature for let it cool it down. Once it's cool it down, we will add the sliced artichoke in this for the pickle. Okay, now the pickling liquid is cooled down. Now we will add the sliced artichoke in the pickling liquid to make it pickle for another 2 to 3 hours. Okay, now once the artichoke is pickled, I cut the artichokes like a disc in 1.5 inch diameters. So like this disc, and the same measurement I cut the summer truffles as well, sliced one. So after this we will arrange a larger disc with this. Okay, now we will arrange a disc like this. Okay, now we will do another texture of the artichoke. One of the element is charred artichoke pure. So for that we need chopped artichoke, chopped shallots, and some charcoal powder, butter, and some seasoning. Okay, once now we will do the charred artichoke puree. For that, just add shallots. So once shallot is translucent, add your artichoke. Okay, once the artichoke is soft enough to blend, so I will add some charcoal powder to give more charred flavor for the dish. So now we will make a puree with this. So now I will make a more charred flavor. So I will put some charcoal dust on top of the short rib. Okay, once I dust the charcoal, I just straightly give more smoky flavor. Okay, once I grill it for the smoky flavor, I'll straight put in the oven for 190 degrees for another 6 minutes. Okay, once I reduce the stock, and I'll get a nice glaze like this, and I will add the bone marrow inside. 6 minutes done, we will take it out and we'll start assembling the dish. So this is the apple chai puree. Now we need to arrange our puffed artichoke, which we deep fried before. Now we will put our charred short rib, bone marrow, jus on